know that JLT Performance is known for some of the best performing intakes on the market. But in addition to their cold air intakes, they also make a lot of dress-up items, including master cylinder cover fitting your brand new 2020 GT500. This GT500 is already equipped with a JLT Performance cold air intake, and today we're going to add the master cylinder cover. Now what that does is basically finish the look in the cowl area. From the factory, Ford actually covers up the battery, but leaves the master cylinder to all this wide open. So the cover is going to basically fit here, give it a much cleaner look. So the first thing we're going to do is remove these two factory clips in the flat blade screwdriver. You know, it's Monday with little plastic clips fight you. Yeah. Our double stick tape will stick right back here. Take some rubbing alcohol and just clean the area so we get better adhesion. Now grab your master cylinder cover. We're going to flip it over. On the opposite side of this hole, right in here, is where you're going to put the supplied double stick Velcro tape. Remove the sticky from both sides while you're here. Grab the factory pins and line up the holes. Push those down into place. Grab a supplied pin from JLT. Push that down. Put some pressure here, so that double stick tape will adhere, and your installation's finished. The JLT master cylinder cover is incredibly easy to install, and it gives the engine a finished look. It matches the battery cover and really finishes off the cowl area. The installation really is going to take you 10 or 15 minutes. You'll be back on the road in no time.